Hello students, in our previous lecture we have studied about geographical perspective on selected issues and problems. We have talked about our different type of pollution. I have gave you full explanation on the study of water pollution, and today we are going to study about your air pollution. Air pollution is an addition to containments in the dust, some type of gases, some type of different type of odor, smoke, tears, vapors, air in the substantial proportion, duration the day as well as in the night. All these are very harmful for our fauna and flora. Like nowadays, you may see the sometime that different type of स्मोक इज स्प्रेडिंग थ्रू आउट द इवनिंग. अभी से शाम को 4-5 बजे से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. समटाइम इट ब्लॉक्स अवर थ्रॉट ऑल्सो. थोड़ी खांसी और इस टाइप से आता है बिकॉज इट कंटेन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ pollutants among it. And when we talk about this type of variety of pollutants, different type of fuels, source of energy, their marked increase in the emission of toxic gases into atmosphere, resulting pollution of air, combustion of fossil fuel, mining industries, such type of different activities, whatsoever activities are done for the development of the country, that are harming our this system and creating problem breathe in breathing and others. And it is very important to keep our air clean because we cannot purchase our air own कि हम तो इसी में ही सांस लेंगे, ये हमारी एयर है. इफ़ फॉर इट एवरीबडी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. कोई एक भी इसको खराब करता है तो दूसरे भी उसके चपेट में आ जाते हैं. एंड बीइंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन्स वी हैव टू टेक केयर and we have to create public awareness. That is the very important for each and every type of pollution. Avoid adding pollutants in the air. Different type of gases, like process of release of the gases, oxidized sulfur, nitrogen, hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead, and other type of gases that are very harmful for our air pollution. And air pollution causes different type of diseases. Very important, respiratory, like nowadays we are talking about corona. That is also one respiratory disease. People face problem in breathing, nerves and circulatory system, and this is very harmful system. And this is due to smog. We can say that smog is the mixture of fog and smoke that chops our threat, chops our throat, give threat to the breathing. And smoke is caused by air atmospheric pollutants. And sometimes we you have heard about acid rain also. जो सबसे पहली रेन होती है एसिड रेन होती है, उसके बाद जो पोल्यूटेंट से फुल होती है स्लोली, दैट इज गेटिंग प्योरीफाइड. रेन वाटर एनालिसिस ऑफ अर्बन environment has indicated pH value of the first rain. pH value उसी को ही बोलते हैं हम लोग भी. sometime we also measure in with the help of this rain gauge and see with the help of thermometer, such type of things. First rain after summer is always lower than the subsequent rains. So that is pH value होती है. In this way, this atmospheric pollutants are very important to study and to prevent these pollutants. Under this heading, our this 12th chapter heading, next our topic is noise pollution. Very fantastic, very easy to understand. Although you have understood all these things in your previous classes, also lower classes, but now content is something different. You have to give the deep introduction and deep study and detailed uh, introduction about the topic. Noise pollution refers to the state of unbearable, uncomfortable to human beings, which is caused by noise by the different sources. When we talk about this type of noise and pollution, it is very harmful for us. We may see that different type of construction work is going on, even transport, communications. These means also spread pollution, noise pollution, automobiles, demolition works, and aircraft, automobiles, loudspeakers, sirens, and sometimes different type of religious and cultural festivals also uh, be the cause of this noise pollution. And very different type of programs are also held. And here one example is from your book. Oceans are 10 timer noisier today than 40 years, because oceans are also nowadays full of different type of pollutants. Like we have studied about water pollution, right? Different type of gases. And that's why this water is not purified. And it is said that noise level in 2003 and 4 were about 10 to 12 decimals higher than the 1964 and 66. The reason could be due to the vast increase in the global shipping also. That is also very important. Shipping, boating, due to the trade increasing in the volume of the trade. Noise pollution is also one very, we can say, concern. It is very real concern about our pollutants environment. And here one picture has been shown, that monitoring of para this one military bauxite mine, home bauxite mine, that you know that it is the residuary of the weathering and leaching of the rocks, that is at the depth of the rocks whenever it is to be taken. And there are different type of एकदम गला ब्लॉक हो जाता है. तो for very important that when we are there is noise pollution that is associated with our community, different types, religious programs, festivals. And very important to note down that this sound level is measured by decibels, expressed in the terms of decibel unit. Sometimes you use earplug from your phone, and there is warning of the sound. You cannot make more than this, because it may be harmful for the for your ear coverage, right? And all of the sources, that are the biggest nonsense of the noise is produced by traffic, because it is intensity of and nature depend on the factors as the type of aircraft, vehicles, train, sea traffic, noise pollution confined to harbor due to the loading and unloading activities being carried out. Like in nearby my house, there is one store of tires, and they every day take 2 to 3 hours loading and unloading those tires. ठीक है, दो नए टायर्स लेके आते हैं, पुराने लेके जाते हैं, फिर कोई लेने आ जाता है. Like that, every time they are creating noise. And it is for me also. Sometime I'm making video for you people, and the noise is there. Sometime I have to cancel the video, and then another is to be made. Today also happened this thing. तो such type of thing should be आपने सुना होगा कुछ साल पहले, this was done in Delhi and some Ludhiana industrial sectors, that industries were ordered to put away from the residential areas. You may not put any single machine or that type of industry that are grazing in your creating different type of noises harmful for our ear, cannot be take there. And in urban areas, overthrowing waste disposal, that is also one cause of this land degradation, as well as this water pollution and other type of land pollution. This is overall pollution. Like metro cities, big cities. Moreover, the pressure on the land is increasing due to the growing population, and that's why it is also there. Sanitary condition, environmental pollution by solids, waste has got significant of enormous growth in the quantity of the waste generated from the various sources, from among them that is the domestic waste as well as the industrial waste. For example, stained small piece of metals, broken glasswares, plastic containers, polythene bags are very very harmful. Sometimes they block the way of the water also. Ash floppies and CDs etc dumped at the different places. Wherever these are dumped, these are not getting somewhat mixed up with the, these are not degradable, right? And in this way, to discard these materials are also terms to refuse garbage, rubbish, etc., and dispose of two sources: household or domestic establishment, industrial and commercial establishment. These are the very much harmful for the cities and others. And this waste disposal in different areas must not create any type of problem. We have to take the guidelines given by NTPC, नेशनल थर्मल पावर प्लांट, कि इसमें से वेस्ट मटेरियल से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी प्रोड्यूस की जा सकती है. तो वी हैव टू वेरी मच केयरफुल about that. When we talk about this land type of pollution, it is from different type of industries, building, construction, demolitions, and pose the problem of serious consequences. Solid waste cause health hazards through the creation of different type of bad smells, harboring flies, rodents, attacked characters of disease, and different type of you may say waterborne diseases are there. Diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, malaria, cholera. Nowadays, you are hearing about this one, mm, dengue also. The frequent nonsense as when these are carelessly handled, spread by wind, and spilted through the rainwater, and concentration of the industrial unit and around the urban center give rise to the disposal of industrial waste into the rivers and leads to water pollution that is also very harmful for that. And we have to take care. Urban waste disposal is a serious problem in India, like metropolitan cities, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Delhi. 90% of the solid water is collected and disposed. But in most of the other cities, town in the country, about 3 to 50% waste generated are left uncontrolled, and wasteland leading to different type of problems that are related to our geographical selected issues and problems. In this way, we have to very much careful. I have told you about the all 3 to 4 type of pollution. In my previous video, I told you water pollution. Today, we talk about noise pollution and air pollution and land pollution. Bye, students. Take care. Keep on studying.